Geordie Shore Sophie fought off screwdriver raider in terrifying struggle. Ryan Larson, 27, threatened to stab the terrified reality TV star as he demanded access to her safe. But brave Sophie, 28, grappled with him and sent him packing before running outside to raise the alarm. She suffered a bruised arm in the struggle. In his rush to escape, Larson left behind a box which had his girlfriend's address printed on it. Yesterday he was jailed for 6 years and 8 months after admitting aggravated burglary and attempted robbery. "I saw my life flash before my eyes. I have never felt like that in my entire life," Sophie Kasaei. In a victim impact statement, Sophie said, "I was extremely scared by what I saw. I thought he might stab either of us to get money. I saw my life flash before my eyes. I have never felt like that in my entire life." Gillian Burks, prosecuting, said Larson, who had staring eyes, turned up at the MTV star's home at midday on December 27, 2017. When Sophie's housekeeper opened the door, he burst in shouting, "Give me the money. Do you know who I am?" Sophie, who had rushed to help her housekeeper, started struggling with him before running outside to shout for help. The intruder, who had 28 previous convictions and was subject to a suspended jail sentence for battery at the time, ran off but was arrested the next day at his girlfriend's home. Mr. Burks said, "Ms. Kasaei at the time of the offense and ongoing is a reality television star." Jane Foley, mitigating, said Larson had had a drug problem since he was 13 and had been ordered to carry out the raid by a thug to settle a £5,000 debt. Judge Robert Adams said Larson posed a significant risk of causing serious harm to the public and had not learned his lesson from previous jail sentences. "You must have terrified the two women in the premises," he added.